Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg soup noodles at home. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of chopped vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and spinach. Also, have 4 ounces of your preferred noodles ready, whether that's ramen or rice vermicelli. Don't forget 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth and your favorite seasonings to taste. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by chopping your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger for a burst of flavor. Also, measure out 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, which will add depth to our soup base. Time to cook. In a large pot, sauté your minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Next, add your chopped vegetables and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender crisp. Cook your noodles separately according to package directions, then combine them with the hot soup. To finish, ladle your flavorful vegetable noodle soup into bowls. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of chili oil if you enjoy a little kick. Serve it immediately to savor the best texture of the noodles and the vibrant flavors of the broth. This warm, comforting meal is perfect for any day. And for an effortless clean, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.